Alright guys, I am back, and I got to thinking that we may need to split these into smaller chunks, so I'm sorry, it'll all go like post in order. It just may not be all in the same day. So we are to the extremely fun part of the journal where all of our hard work at creating ephemera and then putting it all together, now we get to like decorate it. So I think I'm going to decorate this one first and then this one off camera. And I think I mentioned in one of the other videos, I do have, with the fireplaces, for each family, I do have like actually has their name, so the book is really personalized. But I'll do the flip through and then I'll add those. Don't know that they would be overly excited to have their last name put on video. Oops, sorry, I just jostled you. The other book almost fell off. So yeah, this is the one. We're gonna start, the nameplate is gonna go across here. I haven't decided kind of what to do with these yet. I don't know if we're gonna do anything with them yet. I don't know. So let's just start gluing and see where we get. And some of these pages I do have to ink up still, and that's something I'll do before the final flip through. Yeah, so like I said, this decorating part may take a couple of videos. I'm not sure. Like I said last week, I'm really trying to keep everything to 30 minutes. I just think that that works better for my internet. So yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at how stinking cute that is. Oh, I do, even though it was a pain in the keister to get it together, they turned out absolutely adorable. All right, so then we got to put something here to cover this. And so we've got, I think I said before, normally I wouldn't mix graphics from one artist to another when I'm doing a design team. But I think in this case, Amy understands that. I hope so. I hope that's okay, Amy. But these packs are, like everything I'm using now, all came from Jen Bishop's Christmas packs. Different ones, but they're pretty easy to find. She's got like 5 or 6 of them, I think. And this is from 3 of them. I think one of them's like the Electric Christmas. Okay, and then the nameplate will cover the other side. Okay, and we are going to decorate, we're going to add something here, and I'm thinking I pulled out of my already done, like, pre-made stash, I pulled some library pockets that I've already done, and I think we'll, I think we're going to use, I have pages that I printed out extra, so I think we're going to collage those, but for now, I want to get some of these pockets filled to see how much more room I'm going to have. So the large pockets, I know I showed in the last video, I did these, and there's, let's see, which one is this one for? Okay, so this is the family that has 2 children. So let's find my clip that is right here. Let's find a color that matches all of that, which I think these will look really cute there. These little guys, and I did not put tabs on any of these, because little fingers, you know, they might pull and rip the tags, and then, you know. Okay, so I think we're just going to do small embellishments on some of these. And by small, I just mean like little clusters almost. And believe it or not, I didn't bring any ribbons. So let's just fill pockets for now. So yeah, then we'll also know too if we need more journal cards and tags. This is how these ones turned out. I'm gonna still, these will be like last minute ones because they're not quite dry yet. So I just took this Tulip Metallics dimensional fabric paint, and that's what those are. And then I just finished off these little guys. So maybe we'll stick this in here. And I do think, and I don't know if they're really close or not. I know I set them aside. My big, like a bunch of those Christmas ones that I already made before, with the napkins I wanted to put in here, and I know that I have set them aside for this project, but I don't know where they are, so I'll find those. Yeah, I do think I'm gonna need some more pieces as far as to fill these pockets. So we've got a few from the kit. These big ones here. So we can just kind of stick a few in there, and we can always move it around if we feel like we need to. Okay, tall pockets. I'm gonna stick the little angels in. I hope this is not blinding you. Okay. Some more big ones. Let's see. Use the puppy. Green would go nice there, so let's pull these. Candy canes. Okay, and here we have big ones. So which ones haven't we used? Let's try the trees. And maybe the Merry Christmas. These might be a little bit smaller. Okay. And actually, I think maybe let's fill that one. Let's see, what have we not done? Let's see, we did puppies, trees, Santa Claus. We haven't done Santa Claus yet. All right, so that's pretty much it for the big tags, and I was kind of wondering about that. So I think instead of putting 2 in this one, we'll kind of spread it out a little bit. Maybe put 2 there, and then, and actually, let's see, 2 in these big ones. And maybe Santa in this one. And then we have these little guys, but I think they're gonna have to be tucks. Like tucked in these things right here, maybe. And then they might fit here. Or we might have to trade out the snowmen. Yeah, let's trade out the snowmen because they're a little bit taller. Okay, let's go back to this one. Okay. Okay, and let's see, we used 1 And I made 5 each for these. So 4, 3. Okay, hold on. Where did my trees? Oh, those are my trees. Duh. I bet you guys just get a kick out of watching me fumble, huh? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 5. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonder where the 10th one is. Did I already use it? I did not. There it is. I did already use one. Okay. Alright. We need another big tag. 2 big tags. We'll stick this little guy in here. And then we've got this little guy. We'll stick in here. Okay. Big tag. Wow, did we really fill? Okay, let's go back here to the beginning, see if these... Okay, so let's stick this one here. Hopefully we don't stick. Let's stick this one. Right here. Okay. And then we'll stick this one back here. A little bit of frill sticking out. And maybe... Okay, maybe that's good for that one. Okay, so let's count up here how many large tags we're gonna need. None for those, so... One, 2, 3, 3 large tags. Let's see where I can find some scrap here. Okay. So, Happy Holiday Santa needs 3 large tags. Okay, now let's see. Let's do the same to the other one really quick. Get him loaded too. Get his little fireplace glued in. That will really, I think, help me in the end trying to get, remember which book belongs to which family. Now, the big girl, let's see. Let's be conservative with the tall tags until we're sure. So 3 children. I do have a few extra, because some of them I printed like, for, 2 or 3 to a page, and so then obviously I have a few extra. And I figured whatever I have extra, I'll just go into my stash. Let's do the red tags. 3. Greens in there. Like this one I have an extra one of. Let's do that there. Let's put this red Santa in this one. An extra one of those. Okay, you can put these ones here, 2, 3. Okay. Angels in this one. And then we have, seems like, oh, yeah, we are missing some. Not negatively, we're just missing the ones because we already put them in the front. All right, and I don't think these are gonna fit and be visible here, so I'll save those out. Oh my goodness. Okay, duh. We have these. So these will work in one of the pockets. So, and I was just going to, and I'll probably fold 3 at a time here. 3. We'll do a tri-fold on them. Like this, and then up like this in one of the pockets. Like that. Ha ha ha, so cute! Oh my goodness. All right, I love it. Okay. All right, so then let's go back and do our small little ones here in our little things, and then we'll count out how many large tags we need. So we'll do, how many of those type of pockets do I have? I only have 2 of those. Okay, so we're gonna end up doing, since we have the fun over here with the red, I think we'll do these here. And then we'll pick out the fun little guys here. Let's do this one, and let's do the tree. Okay, and then we'll stick this little guy in with this back here. Okay, and then we have this one here. So let's do one here. Actually, let's change that out. Let's do one here. One here, and then one here. And then we'll add let's do a little bit of splash of color right here. Okay, so yeah, we're down to the little guys. Okay, let's see how full we're getting. Not bad, not bad. Okay, nameplate. I think I would like, okay, let's count large tags for this one. Okay, 1 large tag there, and so this one's the Merry Christmas, right? Merry Christmas, Santa. Christmas Santa. 1. 2, 3, 3 large pockets, or 3 large tags. Okay, and then let's go back to this one over here for a second. And we'll put the letters to Santa in one of those. One, 2 for this one. And let's put those letters to Santa back in this one. So then we just need 1 large tag, or 2 large tags for this journal. All right, so we'll scribble that out. Oh my goodness. Okay, so 2 large tags, so 5 total. I better get a stick back in my glue, or else we're gonna be sorry. Or rather, I will be, because, you know, the glue will inevitably stick. Okay, so then I'm thinking we still have this little pocket, these little guys to glue in. So, and I still have a yellow present to glue down on that. So let's do that really quick. So it can be drawing for the other journal. Okay. So let's find our, where we're going. Oh, you know what? Maybe it does look really good there. Maybe this is where we should put it. That way. Maybe that's where we should put this. And then it opens like that. Okay, let's do that. I was trying to decide. We have all these little cards that come in the kit. I need to probably count them because I think they would be super cute. I'm not going to tie that till I'm 100% sure it's good. So this page could use something. So let's see. I don't know. I may end up covering that. Yeah, I've got one more pre-cut. So maybe we'll do that. Maybe I'll go ahead and cover that page with that. And then I was thinking, you know, there's all these different kinds of little guys. I would just like trim them down and decorate them that way. And just put like a little bit of embellishments like down in the corner to where, or like up here to where there's still like journaling space. All right, so I definitely think I want a library pocket here. And then I'll do like the same thing, decorating a little bit with this kind of stuff and some ribbons. Okay, this one I don't feel like needs anything. This one, maybe a library pocket. This definitely needs something. but not a library pocket. Okay, we'll have to come back for that. That doesn't jog anything just yet. I don't think I need anything here. I don't think I need anything here. We need decoration here. I don't feel like this needs anything. I think it's good on its own. I think this is good on its own. The only thing I might do is add like a little bit of a small thing of lace up the sides maybe. I don't feel like this needs anything either. So, and I don't think that these do either because I want some journaling space for them. I might, like I said, go through and put like little tiny stuff down here just to give the page a little bit of decoration. All right, so for sure we want 2 library pockets, and we're gonna do 3 just to be certain. Okay, let's pull in this other journal really quick and get its envelope here glued down. And I think it'll end up being different placement. Oh, maybe not. All right, so I'm not crazy that this is kind of showing through, but I think with enough distraction, it'll be just fine. Okay. Before we do this, let's make sure it lays down and is good. Oh. Okay, yep, there we go. Traditions on the top, right? Okay. Alright, hold that one a little bit, and then we'll see how many ones we think, one-handed goon. Okay. Then we'll see how many more little library pockets we think we need for this one. Okay. Definitely one in here. Look out, everyone. It's flying library pockets. I don't know. We'll have to come back to that one. I don't know that it needs anything. I like that kind of how it is. I like that how it is. That how it is. Maybe one here. You know what? With Amy's background pages, that the pages just don't really need anything. Yeah, so maybe 3. We'll do 3, and then we'll make final choices. But I gotta tell you guys, I'm loving how this is coming together. Truly, like, I am so excited. You know, ye of little faith, I was kind of freaking out last week, but I think I am really liking these. Yeah, so they've been fun, and this one's getting a little bit chunkier. I think probably just because of placement, but yeah, so I don't think we're going to be able to do a ton more. Yeah, so all right, so I'll call this a video. Then we might be splicing a couple more together. I'm not sure, but I will be back in just a little bit. Bye, guys.